Hey human, this morning's drive was soft and calm, worship playing, beautiful scenery, and my spirit just resting. It's the best way to start the day. One thing I'm always grateful is where I work. God truly planted me in the right place, surrounded by correct, God fearing, warm hearted colleagues who make work feel like home. Honestly, there's a sweetness that comes with being around people who have good hearts, people who bring peace, who laugh with you, pray with you, and make every day lighter. And every December, without fail, we receive our Christmas packages. It has honestly become one of our favorite traditions. Something small but meaningful. A reminder that the year has rounded up well. And me? Oh my god. My cheeky nature always shows when those packages come out. Always. With no fail. But only because I'm with the right people who understand my energy, my joy, my December excitement. You guys ain't seen nothing. Collecting those packages just makes me smile, not because of what's inside, but because it reminds me that I'm appreciated. I belong somewhere and God's goodness is all around me. Now let's talk more about work itself. My workload is full, like there's always plenty to do, always. Meetings, planning, organizing, solving, preparing, but somehow it never feels overwhelming, honestly. I think it's because I genuinely love what I do. Purpose makes everything softer. When you're planted in the right place, trust me, even the heavy days feels manageable. I try to stay delightful, do my best, and give my whole heart, and somehow God adds grace to every single day. It's a lot, but never feels like too much. And at this video, and as this video wraps up, welcome again to Vlogmas. December is my cozy soft girl season, full of work, joy, gifts, food, beauty, and a little everyday moments that make life sweet. Thank you for spending day 3 with me. More is coming, and I can't wait to share it with you. God bless you. Remember to like this video, share, and I'll see you in the next one.